Hey guys, I'm Ryan. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I band out a wall. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more upcoming video like this one. If you look right here, leave a 1/8 space. That way when the next brick go on top, it might come over a little bit and it fall right in place. Doing this course here, you have to take your time. This is like the first course you lay. So if you don't get it right, basically you mess up everything. You mess up the whole entire band. So you have to take your time, make sure it's right. The way to cut brick, you stop it here one time, and you top the back. See? Straight line. So now we're gonna move on to our other one. Or you're gonna put your brick on top of this one to see exactly where the joint's gonna fall with the other one that's gonna come next. And then you're gonna mark right to the right where the window is, so you know exactly. So here. So basically right here is where so this is our mark where our full brick will fall the other one. So now we gotta put our other brick here, because after we finish the window, we want to have a straight band go all the way across. So here we're gonna put our second brick, our brick on top here. Then we catch our mark right here, and then another brick mark over, another one over, another one over, another one over. Come over here. Another one over. Okay. So right here we need a tester. So this is basically a header. So now you know that you need to put a header here and continue. So now we're gonna put the header right here. See, it's right where the mark is. Here is the same thing again. So if you put a brick like this, you mark right here, so you know exactly. So when we start our next brick, we're gonna put it like this. But let's cut this one right now first for here. The reason why we put our mark here, because when we reach above our window, we want to have the same straight brick go all the way across. So now our full brick come right here, which is about, okay, so this is where our full brick comes. So you want to left your joint, put your brick here, continue over. So now I'm going to mark here again, leave our joint, put our brick, mark, leave our joint, continue over, mark, leave our joint. So here, I know here is a header. So it's the same over there. So here we cut a tester, which we call header. I don't know what you guys call it, but all of it is the same. Then we continue. And always leave a little bit of space beside the window. That way, if there is any damage to the window or anything later on, they can just easily remove it without having to damage the brick. And that's a manufacturer require as well. So. Here we want to mark from here. We know this is our full brick right here. Same process. So we mark right here. Leave your joint. 1/4 inch joint, 1/2 inch, depends on the band that you have. So here it's telling me that it's a full brick I put here now. I have a full brick here. Whenever the brick is close to the line and you want to get it back away from the line, the best place to tap it is up to the extreme end. That way you won't sink the brick. You're not putting a lot of force on it, so always just tap it all the way over to the end. Position yourself to cut a perfect header or a perfect brick. Leave that in the comments and I'll make a video for that. Show you how to make two tap with the hammer to get your brick cut perfect. So here we're gonna start our second course now. The same process. So we're gonna start our second course. The two first courses, the two main course we have to get right. If you don't get it right, basically you mess up everything, you screw up everything. So here, usually when you run your bricks and you see how such a small piece, you put a header and then you cut again. So here now we're gonna put a tester. We call it tester, we call it header. It's the same thing. Put a tester here like so. Then cut the brick here. Make it like this. You know, right here is where your cut's gonna be. Your top. We're gonna go over with our cut. So first, this is a full brick right here. So you want to take a mark. You know, right here is where your full brick gonna go. So here is where your joint gonna be. So you mark right here. This is where the full brick gonna be. And then you put the brick up here and then continue over again. Mark. This is where the joint gonna be. here is gonna be a full brick. Right here now. Put full brick here. So guys, say for instance, you have two bricklayers, and one bricklayer start from that end, one want to start from that end. The way how you gotta do it, you gotta look here and see the header is stepping from over that side, and here is a 3/4 brick. You see? So now, if you're starting from down there, so for instance, this here is all the way to the end, and someone want to start. You gotta step over here, a header, coming from this side, because over here you know it's a header, and it's a 3/4. So once you start with a header here, you could start from that way, come all the way down here, and it's gonna be perfect, the same fit. So that's a way how to start in case two guys is on the wall and you wonder how they start from there and work their way come up with you. You just look what's the size, what they are coming with, if it's a header or if it's a 3/4, and that way you know where to start. But it's just me alone here today because of the whole virus. So for this time, I just have my helper here with me today, and that's not a lot of guy because the same process here again. This is a full brick. So our full brick gonna come. Then you gotta take from the joint here, mark it. Keep going over. Here we're gonna put a full brick here over. Everything. So take your time, like I said earlier. Don't rush it. Get it done right. This is how you line up for your bricks. That's it. That's pretty straight. See? You're gonna repeat the same process here where the full brick comes. Now we know here is the header.